The BMW iX Flow brings the digital soul of BMW to the exterior. By changing the color of the entire car, we're bringing personalization to unforeseen levels. The technology behind the BMW iX Flow is color change, e-ink. Picture a piece of white paper in your hand, and this white paper turns black. BMW is premiering the use of e-ink in automotive, and we see a number of benefits for our customers. The first is personalization, self-expression. You choose the clothes you wear in the morning, you choose your social media status, and you choose the color of your car. Another benefit of e-ink is we can show information on the exterior of the car. We can show you the battery status. We can show you if a car-sharing car is free or if it's been cleaned, or if you've lost your car in a parking lot, we can make it flash and then you can see it in your peripheral vision. A third reason to use e-ink in a car is a functional reason. By changing the color of a car, we can influence sunlight reflection and thus influence the thermal properties of the car to support our sustainability goals. E-ink is color change. It's amazing, it's magical.
The possibilities with e-ink are almost infinite.
E-ink can improve our products in 3 ways. So first is personalization, individualization. You decide what you want to wear, what your social media status is, and you can decide what your car looks like. Secondly, information. E-ink could help us portray useful information externally. The status of the battery, or you can't find your car, we can make the car flash, and then you see it in your peripheral vision and you know where to go. The third use of e-ink in automotive is a functional use. Through color, we can control sunlight reflection and thermal properties. We can change the entire car to essentially support climate control and to save energy. With this project, the iX, what we essentially have is a lowest resolution possible, a single pixel car that changes entirely.
One great benefit is that it doesn't consume energy. Only when you switch it, it needs a bit of power, and then it can stay in this state without any power. So that makes it the perfect material.